Ready to unlock the limitless potential of AI illustration with Midjourney? First, you'll need to join the Midjourney Discord server. Follow the link in the description. Once you're in, find one of the newbie channels. These are your creative sandboxes. To start, type /imagine, followed by a detailed description of your desired illustration. Be specific. Include subjects, styles, lighting, and even artists if you have preferences. Midjourney shines in its versatility. Want concept art? Describe a scene from a futuristic city, requesting a mood and environment for photorealism. Include camera settings like aperture and focal length, and specify realistic textures. Experiment with art styles, referencing artists or movements for unique results. Fine-tune your creations using parameters add -AR followed by aspect ratio to control image dimensions. Use version and a number between 1 and 5 to specify the Midjourney model to use. Experiment with quality and a value between 0.25 and 5 to adjust rendering quality. After Midjourney generates your initial images, use the U buttons to upscale your favorite and the V buttons to create variations based on a selection. With practice, you'll master the art of crafting prompts that bring your visions to life. So, dive in, experiment, and unleash your creativity with Midjourney. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials.